Anita Maxwin. Anita Maxwin.
What? What does that even fucking mean? What are we like? Yeah, check alarms. Why did you? Who pinned this? What the fuck is this? Maybe we have a winner. That was fire. Like, okay, what is this? Goofy ass fucking. Okay, that was kind of funny. Okay, that was funny. How did he even do this? Buddy remade the fucking. How did you even do this? It's you, okay? Like, what do you want me to do? Like, all right, just that's clearly you. We have a winner. How is this even an alarm, by the way? And he actually, okay, you know what? Wait, what's happening in this channel? What's going on?
Hi, my beautiful baby boy. How are we doing today?
I'm doing good.
Hydrate up, bitch.
Not so good.
Oh.
Baby, come here. Let mommy hold you, okay?
Well, I mean, all right. Don't just... Ugh.
My sweet boy.
Get the fuck out my ear, bitch! Ah!
I'm sorry you're not doing the best. What's going on?
What the fuck? What are we doing? This guy is in the chat. I'm about to come. What the fuck? Somebody ban him. Zone Wars. Wow. Wait, this channel might be good. What the fuck? Bro, all right, how did you even do this? Man, what the fuck is this? Bro, all right, good job, man. Thanks for this, bro. Appreciate it. Bro, fuck you in these build a boat videos. I am not watching this. Oh my god, I actually hate these videos. Ah. Like, these videos actually make me mad. Double click to bro. Thanks for that, bro. That was fucking. That was perfect, man.
Hey! Hey! Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey, nigga. Let's get this fucking money.
That's actually a good alarm, I'm not gonna lie. I think I need to have something like that as well.
Teach me how to good. Teach me how to good.
You wanna wake up to that? You just fucking sleeping next to you.
Teach me how to good. Teach me how to.
What am I gonna? Yeah. Oh, is that what you want to wake up to? What the fuck?
Attention Walmart, this is Dale Lewis, 10-year associate, Morris, Illinois, 844, signing out. Good night.
Damn. That's fire. Nice. W. Gale Lewis. We on a budget, but it's chill. What?
I put the penis in my nose. Look at that dick, I go to cells. How I suck that dick, I'm proud. Suck that dick, I got no reason. Yeah. I want my nigga, you know that he beating.
Next.
Wake your ass up, because it's time to go beast mode.
Guys, we've done beast mode already. You know, we have. We've done it. How you about to send something at least not, you know what I mean? Oh my, motherfuckers putting beast mode. Okay, here we go. My tip gets creamy every time I see you. Ban him. What is going on? We can't blame that guy. W single ear alarm. Like, what are we doing? Maybe that's honestly, that might be a good alarm too. Wake up to something like some it's a beautiful day to have, you know what I'm saying? Like some shit like
Hydrate
that.
up, bitch.
That's a good one, bro. Nice. I'm about to try that shit. That send me back to sleep. What are these time? Why do y'all shit look like this? What is this? Fuck beautiful days. Oh, okay. All right, dude. Can we get to it, bro? Android users. Like they always do, like you can like notice how the Android users always do this extra shit. Like, you know, like that's not an Android. What is this then? What?
モカちゃんが教えてくれたいろんな見た目になれるアプリなん。
What the fuck? Bro, what is that? That ain't Android? What the fuck is that? Nice waste of time. You see what I'm saying? They always be doing that extra shit, bro. My phone locks after the timer. I just tugged to that. Somebody ban him. LMAO, I just tugged. We're not gonna start this tugging shit. Okay, 5 seconds. What do we got here? What? Wait, is that why I don't be waking up sometimes? I be setting an alarm and I swear to God, the shit just never goes off. Is that what happens? Man, bro, we be getting fucking scammed. God damn. I finished on, okay.
Your phone ringing. Your phone ringing. Big boy, come pick up your phone.
I don't know what he was thinking. Bro, what the fuck? What are we doing? Sorry for the bad quality. Get that guy the fuck out the Discord. Get that guy the fuck out. Yo! This is dope. You get alarmed and you just get fucking sprayed. Wait, this is a good idea. Nice. I think I need this. W alarm, man. Sorry, I'm not even gonna read that. Can it become? Okay. I would have laughed if they would have just had the first one there. I was so close to laughing. If it would have just stayed that first one with nothing else. Moderators, pin this. That's fire. What the fuck?
Double stuff me,
Fucking ban that guy, bro. Ban that guy now. What the fuck? You survived! Nice! Hey, good job, man. Not my history teacher's ringtone. Oh! That goofy ass. Wait. That goofy ass ringtone. What's up with it, bro? This guy just said, I don't know how to screen record. Why the fuck did you send this then? If you don't know how to screen record, then why would you, like, why is this here? I can't hear your fucking ringtone. Teach him? Get him the fuck out of here. Maybe this is gonna be it, man. Here we go. Last one, and then we gotta get to Samir. Dreyfus, I'll watch yours after. Okay. Be patient, chat. Don't say no, be patient. Be grateful. Bro, a fucking dodgeball. Bro, that was fire. No, that